What if I told you that listening can improve your English faster than speaking? The biggest mistake English learners make, they speak too much and listen too little. Hello everyone, welcome to Ashtamta Talks. If you are learning English and want to speak naturally, this video is for you. Many beginners spend hours of memorizing vocabulary and grammar rules. That's helpful, but they often forget one important skill, listening. Just like a baby learns a language by listening before speaking, we can also improve our English by listening every day. Let's understand how. Listening trains your brain. Think about this way. When you hear your favorite song many times, what happens? Without trying, you begin to remember the words. The same thing happens with English. The more you listen, the more your brain becomes familiar with English sounds, sentence patterns, and pronunciation. You don't need to understand every single word. Just keep listening. Little by little, your brain starts recognizing common expressions. That's real learning. Point number 2. Listening improves the pronunciation. Here is a simple question. How can you pronounce a word correctly if you never heard it? You can't. Many learners know the spelling of a word but pronounce it incorrectly because they have only read it. For example, the word comfortable. Many beginners say comfortable, but native speakers usually say comfortable. You learn this naturally by listening. That's why listening is very important. Point number 3. Listening builds confidence. Many people are afraid to speak English, not because they don't know English, but because they are afraid to making mistakes. Listening helps reduce that fear. When you hear the same phrases again and again, you started thinking, oh, I have heard this before, and suddenly speaking feels easier. Confidence doesn't appear overnight, it grows little by little through daily practice. Point number 4. You don't need expensive course. Here is something many people don't realize. You don't need expensive English classes to improve your listening. You already have many free resources. You can listen to English videos on YouTube, short podcasts, simple stories, children's English videos. Even listening for just 10 or 15 minutes every day can make a huge difference. The important thing is not listening for hours. The important thing is being consistent. Point number 5. A simple daily routine. Let me give you an easy routine. Step 1. Choose one short English video, maybe 2 or 3 minutes long. Listen once without subtitles. Don't worry, if you don't understand everything, listen again with subtitles. Notice new words. Finally, listen one more time and repeat a few sentences aloud. That's it. If you do this every day, you will notice that your listening, pronunciation, and speaking improve together. Small daily habits create a big results. Before we finish, I want you to remember one simple sentence. The more you listen, the more confident you become. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Start listening today. Even 10 minutes a day can help you become better English speaker. Learning English is not being perfect. It's about improving little every day. And remember, every expert was once a beginner. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Ashtamta Talks for simple English lessons, vocabulary, pronunciation, and speaking tips. And before you go, tell me in the comment section, what do you usually listen to English? Songs, YouTube videos, movies, podcasts? I would love to hear all those answers. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, keep learning, keep listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.